What were the main issues you believe this time in Rajasthan? 12 seats going to polls today.
See, the main issues were development, Modi ji's guarantee. People believe in Modi. They believe in the last 10 years of the way he has worked for the people. Every scheme has reached every person. The common man is totally trust the way Modi ji has worked, and that's why. And he's also promised, the Indian economy will be the third largest in his third term, and there'll be so much more work. He said, ये तो अभी ट्रेलर है, पिक्चर अभी बाकी है, तो बहुत कुछ है जो लोग एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं और वो डेफिनेटली उनके एक्सपेक्टेशंस पे खरे उतरेंगे.
आदिवासी जो women है, do you believe the women voter will also remain intact with the BJP?
Absolutely, women are very, very happy with the way Modi ji has thought about them. No prime minister before this had ever thought about doing anything for women. Today, the women of India are very happy and they're going to vote fully and completely for them.
The Congress saying that certain seats will have a contest because they've got allies like RLP.
Well, let them say what they want to do. Results will show when I think 4th June we'll all know what happened. We'll get a huge majority.
They're also saying Ram Mandir is not an issue.
They don't believe in Ram. What do I say about people and parties who don't even believe in the existence of Lord Ram?
मैम क्या आप ये मानते हैं कि
தான் நம் ஜனநாயக கடமையை அனைவரும் ஆற்றி இருக்கிறோம் என்ற நம்பிக்கை இளைஞர்களுக்கு வரும். அதே மாதிரி முதல் வாக்காளர்கள், ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டைம் ஓட்டர்ஸ், அவங்களுக்கு நான் ஒரு வேண்டுகோள் வைக்கிறேன்.